Hey everybody, what's going on? Happy Easter. It's been a while. So I've been working on the Orion a little bit at a time. I've been pretty busy doing other stuff. But anyways, as you can kind of see that there's a piece of maple on top of the headstock because the thickness of the headstock was thinner than even what Fender would consider, a spec as far as a thickness of the headstock. So I didn't want anything happen where it split or a tuner or whatever break through it. So like I said, I'm going to plug up the holes for the tuners on the back of this. I bought a guide template or whatever you want to call it for doing 3 and 3 on each side, so they're nice and even. So that'll work out when I re-drill the holes for the tuners. I did a lot of work on the neck. As far as the fretboard goes, that's pretty much done. And all I could show you of the inlay is just that little tiny piece right there. That's about it. So if you kind of notice that the ends of the fretboard where the slot is are kind of like sealed up, it's because, well, I'm doing this kind of half-assed backwards from what I was told. So what I got going on here is that I didn't want to see any of the tangs sticking out, or even if I put the frets in and then I have to trim them down. So this is going to be, the frets are going to be installed just like if I would with a binded guitar neck. And so the tangs will be clipped and then cut on a little bit of an angle, so when I install them they'll be nice and flush, and there'll be nothing to show anything on each side of the fretboard. It's like perfectly, this fretboard was a bitch to work on. Number one, it wasn't correct. It was way too wide. This neck wasn't supposed to be on this guitar, but it is what it is. So if you kind of see, I got a line going across over here, and this side here is got a nice sharp edge on there, nice rounded. So now I got to do it with this side because originally this headstock wasn't even on both sides, so I got to even it up. And from when I looked at the one on the picture on the internet, it's pretty much even on both sides, and I still got to round this off a little bit. So this guitar is to, well, right a wrong that was done to somebody. And again, that's all you get to see of this inlay. I'm not going to show you anymore. I made a whole video about this neck and doing the inlay work, doing the doing the sides of the fretboard to fill in that cut. And yeah, so one of the things that I ended up doing with this, and I mentioned in one of the videos, was when I was looking at the neck and stuff to figure out what to do as far as the bridge goes. And I mentioned in a video about this over here, and I should have removed the neck or whatever, but there was a problem with this. If I would have removed this neck and reset it and left the bridge where it was, well, the original guitar has lips over on each side over here, little edges, because the neck is this way and not even with the cutout for the pickup. So if I were to reset this neck would have to go that way, and this would be a lot bigger area over here, a nice big gap, which wouldn't look right. And yeah, I didn't want to go for that. And even a pickup ring, like I mentioned before too in the previous video, wouldn't look right because of the way this is cut so far down over here. You'd be a nice edge of the pickup ring. That would be the only thing to really hide this, unless I put another piece of wood inside here and drill a hole to access the truss rod. But again, I wanted to keep this as an Orion. That's what it is. That's what it's going to stay to be. And yeah, so that was the reason why I ended up changing the location of the bridge. So I was kind of told that I was doing this wrong. So the veneer on this thing, all gone. The veneer, when I first got the guitar, and you can see in the previous videos that the veneer was missing. It was sanded down in certain areas. There was a crack in it over here. They got 2 holes that are for the 3-way or 5-way blade switch that were kind of like in. You can kind of see one there, and there's one over here. A little small indent right there. But this one here was the most, so I could probably used a punch to try to punch those holes first, or not drilled it all the way through. But he punched it right into the veneer as well. So the veneer was pretty much shot, and I planned on changing it to a quilt instead of a flame, and along the same with the headstock is going to be the same way. So now all I have to do is, with this line over here, going from one side to the other side, measuring from the fretboard out. And even this up over here, because this side was way off. It was, like it looks like it's down here, and that's where it was. So what I got to do is just even this one is done, even this one onto this side. So I got all these over here for doing nice curves and shit. I can't remember what these are called. My father and I bought these for doing basically the True Flames with the candy colors, and we tested out and kind of practiced on a Harley Davidson gas tank fenders and shit, and it came up pretty nice, but we never cleaned the candy colors off of this. So what I ended up doing is kind of measuring on one of these where and how this is located here to get a nice little angle. So you can see that fits in there really nice. So now what I need to do is put it on this side with the line where the tape is and cut that off right there to sand it to where both sides are nice and even, and then round off the tip of the headstock the way it's supposed to be. Like I said, this is an Orion. It's not a built guitar that I ended up doing, which most of the time, well, all the time, I've been just building the bodies, not really building necks. But again, still an Orion, and I wanted to have the characteristics of an Orion. Its body and shit still built by, Gelvin guitars, but the customization of it is going to be me. Since I've already put all this work into it, I'm going to continue to do so. So I'm still working on it. I'm still here. I'm still doing my thing, just very slowly, and I got things going on. It is what it is. I've got a bunch of stuff as far as putting a video together. Got a whole different type of entertainment center going on now as far as my home theater set up. Yeah, so I've been kind of working, stop, work, stop, work, stop, on just little things. Again, there will be a whole video at the end of this series when this guitar gets delivered to the one who got wronged. You guys take it easy. Have a good holiday.